What's the meaning of bathwater? Bathwater. Bathwater.
Bathwater. Bathwater. Bathwater is the water used for bathing or showering, usually in a bathtub or shower stall. When someone says, "Throw out the baby with the bathwater," they are referring to the act of getting rid of something good while trying to eliminate something bad. The expression originated in medieval times when it was common for family members to bathe in the same water in order of decreasing seniority. By the time the youngest person got in the bath, the water was usually so dirty that you couldn't see the baby. So if someone told you to throw out the baby with the bathwater, they mean that you're overreacting and taking action that's not necessary.